You know that feeling. You've devoured every podcast, documentary, and Reddit thread on that unsolved case. You practically live for the twists and turns of a good investigation. But what if there was a way to go beyond just consuming content? What if you could actually become part of the story? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to introduce you to a career path that'll have you saying "objection" with excitement. Legal transcription. The raw, unfiltered details that true crime documentaries only dream of. Imagine being the first person outside the room to hear a witness's bombshell testimony, a detective's groundbreaking revelation, or a lawyer's cunning cross-examination. You'll be right there in the thick of it, meticulously capturing every word. But it's not just about the thrill. Legal transcription is a vital role in the justice system. Your accurate transcripts ensure everyone involved, judges, lawyers, defendants, has a clear record of what was said. It's a chance to contribute to a fair and just outcome. Plus, it's a flexible career with good pay. You can work from home, set your own hours, and choose the cases that pique your interest. Whether it's a high-profile celebrity trial or a local missing person case, there's always something new to learn and transcribe. So if you're a true crime buff with a knack for detail and a desire to make a difference, legal transcription might be your dream job. It's the perfect blend of true crime obsession and real-world impact.
Criminal is kind of where my passion is. I'm really interested in that stuff, and I'm excited to work with that kind of material.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.